Every day we make decisions. Some are small, like what to eat for breakfast. Others are big, like choosing a career or starting a business. Let's explore real-life examples of how people made tough decisions and what we can learn from them.
Case Study 1. The Coffee Shop Dilemma.
Sarah was working in a corporate job for 10 years. She always dreamed of opening her own coffee shop, but quitting a stable job was risky. She started small, selling coffee at weekend markets while keeping her job. After 6 months of growing demand, she decided to go full-time. Today, she runs a successful cafe in her hometown. Her key decision was to test the idea first before taking the leap. Lesson: you don't always have to risk everything. Testing your idea first can lead to smarter decisions. Case Study 2. The Tech Career Shift. David studied law but felt unfulfilled. He started learning coding online during evenings. After a year, he built a small app that solved a real problem for local businesses. With growing confidence and a few freelance clients, he finally switched careers and now works as a software developer. Lesson: decisions don't have to be instant. Small, consistent steps can lead to major life changes. Case Study 3. The Emergency Exit. Maya was on a road trip when her car started making strange noises. Instead of ignoring it, she chose to stop at the nearest service station. The mechanic found a serious brake issue that could have caused a crash. Her quick decision possibly saved her life. Lesson: sometimes making fast decisions based on instinct and safety is the smartest move. Case Study 4. The Investment That Failed. Raj invested all his savings in a friend's startup without doing much research. The business failed within a year and he lost most of his money. It was a painful lesson, but it taught him to never invest without understanding the risks. Lesson: emotional decisions can be costly. Always do your homework before committing your resources. Final thoughts. These case studies show that decision-making is part of life, whether we're chasing dreams, changing careers, or facing emergencies. The key is to balance logic with emotion, plan when possible, and stay open to learning, even from failure.